Dear students, I am going to help you for essay writing. When you get the topic, first you are going to recall information, then organize facts. You need to write 200 words for the essay. So it means when you are writing 50 words in a paragraph, then you are going to write 4 paragraphs only. Then how to write 50 words in a paragraph? Only you are going to write 8 lines in a paragraph. Got it? Right. Now then you can reach to the word limit of 200 words. Today I have selected the topic, the importance of English. Let's see. In essay writing, the first paragraph is so important. You can give introduction in creative manner. Let's see how to do that. Look at the points. You can write simple sentences using the given facts.
General introduction. English is used as the universal language because the majority use English to communicate as a global language. If we have sound knowledge in English, we are able to travel to other countries without knowing the native language. As Sri Lankans, we use English as the second language. In fact, English language skills enable us to explore the world.
Let's write the second paragraph. You can state the facts using advantages, that means benefits. Then I have given many here. Use it when writing.
Mainly, English proficiency helps to get higher education as mostly books can be found in English. So students have to refer books in English. The good command of English prominently need to get a good occupation. In other words, it's an essential requirement to get a white-collar job. In the job interview too, they demand sound knowledge in English as well as tested the fluency. Furthermore, global economy, trade and international affairs link with the language proficiency. On one hand, English helps for day-to-day life events. Here give instances like when taking medicine, exporting goods or using phones. Hence, often instructions may appear in English and we should comprehend it accurately. On the other hand, we need to know English well to get on with high society. Otherwise, we may shyly neglected and disappointed at that situation. Moreover, foreign scholarships may offer and definitely check the standard of English when selecting. So English plays a major role in every sphere of our life. Apart from that, travel and tourism is also mainly affected by the language proficiency. It's obviously emphasized that English helps to get great exposure to the world.
You have emphasized the importance in the second paragraph. Then you can write how to improve our English skills in the third paragraph. So state facts smartly.
English is included in a Sri Lankan school curriculum as a main subject. Undoubtedly, school provides ample opportunities to improve English skills. Here explain instances like students can take part in assemblies, clubs and associations, or as English days and competitions. School always encourage to improve 4 skills like reading, writing, speaking and listening. Everyone should inculcate positive attitudes towards learning English. Especially students who study in remote areas should be encouraged to learn English.
Let's try the final paragraph. As the first paragraph, final paragraph is so important. So you are going to state your viewpoint here. You can give an advice or a suggestion, or else you can quote a famous saying. So You can write or end creatively.
If you acquire English language proficiency, it will help to create an outstanding personality. English language shows the path to the global language. In turn, English acts as a guideline to construct the way of success and build up stable economy of the country.
Now write your essay within half an hour. I'm pretty sure of that. You will produce a very good essay. Hope to see you soon with a useful another topic.